Unlock the secrets to YouTube success and making money online. You're about to embark on a journey that can change your life. In this video, we'll show you the fastest way to start a YouTube channel, define your niche, and create a powerful brand identity. But that's just the beginning. Discover the tools that will transform your content creation and the art of asking questions to get the results you want. This isn't just another video, it's your gateway to success. Get ready to be in the 1% who takes action. Join us on this transformative journey. Your future starts now. Before we delve deeper in the process, picture this: tons of video out there tell that you can create copy-paste short format video by taking inspirations on other channels in your niche. For example, they said you have to check meditation-based channel on YouTube or TikTok. Check the template they use to create viral content and do the same. Then you use ChatGPT to generate hundreds of topics ideas from which you will create some kind of automated videos by connecting data exported to an Excel file to your template using Canva. Is it really working? I tried this. As you can see on my channel, I'm producing digital marketing riddles using this method, and I will be able to tell you soon if it's worth it. But remember that the digital space is constantly changing, meaning this method, which seems really interesting, may not be working again today. That's why today I have a brand new way to create content faster than never before. This will help you focus on the long-term growth, which is important on the success road. If you take it seriously and start to take action on what you are learning today, making more than $400 a day will be a joke. Trust me. Let's go. Have you already started a YouTube channel? If not, I recommend creating one. Begin by creating a new Google account, which will be linked to your YouTube channel. Once your Google account is set up, head over to YouTube and connect your account. If you're watching this video, you likely know how to create a YouTube channel. So I skipped this part to keep this video as shorter as possible. Your time is important. After setting up your YouTube channel, it's crucial to define your niche. What kind of content are you passionate about creating? For this video, we're focusing on the make money online niche. However, if you need more guidance on how to define your niche, we've got an in-depth video dedicated to this topic. Several tools out there can help you define your brand identity in minutes. You can use artificial intelligence to go fast with this step. I've asked ChatGPT, a great content creation tool, to provide me with 10 brand name ideas for my YouTube channel, which is dedicated to helping people make money online. Here are the results. In this list, one option stands out: cash flow creators. It's a name I find appealing, and we can use it for branding our channel, including creating a logo, banner, and other elements. If you haven't already, take the time to play with this tool, which is free to use. You don't have to pay before getting powerful results. You can use it for video content ideas, script creation, email marketing campaign, and more. But you need to master the art of asking questions. The more specific your question will be, the more specific the answer will be. Naturally, take the time to control all the results to make sure it fits with what you want. When it comes to logo creation, you have options. You can use Canva, which is a versatile tool that I personally use for designing my thumbnails, banners, and more on my channel. If you'd like a video tutorial on creating a logo, banners, and thumbnails using Canva, please let me know in the comments and we'll work on it. Alternatively, you can explore another option, which is Looker. Looker is a free tool that can assist you in designing a quality logo. Here's a quick look at the process. Enter your channel name. Select your industry. Customize the design elements such as fonts, colors, and slogans. Complete the logo creation process and download it. These tools can be invaluable for establishing your channel's branding. Don't hesitate to try them out for yourself. After all, in this digital age, the ability to experiment and try new things is essential for your success. But don't waste too much time here. You can make updates later. We have more important stuff to manage to attempt the goal of making more than $400 per month using Shorts. By the way, if you don't like these tools for logo and branding, you can also go on Google and type in the search bar, "make logo for free," then choose an option based on the results you will receive. It's simple. Alright, now that we've created our logo, established our channel, and defined our niche, it's time to plan the type of content we want to create. To do this effectively, it's essential to research your competitors. In our case, we're focusing on the make money online niche. Here's a step-by-step guide on competitor research. Identify the top 10 big channels in your niche. Visit the channels and navigate to their shorts section. Analyze their most popular shorts. Select and document the titles of 10 to 20 of the most popular shorts. This research helps you understand what topics are trending and what viewers are interested in. In our case, I made a quick research on make money online short format, and I found a couple of big channels including this one. For example, if you consider this short titled "Do This to Get Thousands of Subscribers on YouTube Fast," it might be a good idea to create a similar short with your unique insights. As we can see on this channel, these shorts have been performing very well. That's an indicator on the fact that people are actually interested in this type of content. When you don't know where and how to start, this is a gold mine. Don't neglect it, it's totally free. But don't just stop at research. Take the time to watch these competitor shorts. Listening to what these creators discuss can spark ideas for your own content. Remember, originality and a unique perspective are key to success. Now, with your content ideas in hand, it's time to organize them. I recommend using a tool like Excel to create a list of potential video titles and topics. The next exciting step involves video creation, and here's where I introduce a fantastic tool I recently discovered in Video AI. This tool can help you generate videos based on your titles. Here's how it works. Visit their website. You can find the link in the video description. Sign up and log in. Input your video title or topic. In Video AI utilizes a vast database of stock images and footage to generate videos based on your topic. It doesn't create visuals but assembles them to match your content. For instance, let's use the title "Do This to Get Thousands of Subscribers on YouTube Fast" as an example. You can add more details such as specific tips and tricks we want to focus on or things we don't want to talk about to make the generated video more personalized. Remember, this tool may not be entirely free and you might need to invest in it for more advanced features. After you enter your topic, you can fine-tune your video by choosing a male or female voiceover and how often you want it to use stock footages. This adds a personalized touch to your video. Then click Generate Video, and in Video AI will analyze your input and generate the video. The generated video will typically include a title, and you can further customize the video for your audience, choosing the look and feel of the video and the platform you intend to use. You can also edit the prompt again at this phase if you want to add or remove something. Once you adjusted these settings, the tool will render your video. This may take a couple of minutes but is usually quite fast. So now you're all set to create engaging and visually appealing content without the need for extensive video editing skills. It's an exciting way to produce content quickly and efficiently. Now that our video has been generated by AI, we can preview it by clicking the play button. Take a moment to see how it turned out.
Ever dreamt of having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in a flash? Allow me to share a little secret. First up, find your niche. With billions of users, YouTube is a vast ocean. A niche helps you stand out, whether it's cooking, sports analysis, or tech reviews. Find your passion and stick to it. Next, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback. Interaction is key to building a community and fostering loyalty. Here's a golden nugget: collaborate. Team up with other YouTubers in your niche. This cross-promotion tactic can introduce you to a wider audience quickly. And last but not least, consistency. Regular uploads are YouTube's secret sauce. Keep your content flowing and the subscribers will come rushing. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, it's a journey. So buckle up and enjoy the ride.
What do you think about the visuals and script? I find it pretty incredible. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you're satisfied with the video, you can proceed with exporting it. However, if you want to make any changes, you have two options. First, you can press the plus icon to edit the prompt or any setting we choose previously. But if you do that, the tool will generate a complete new video, which will impact your general authorized usage, which includes time, stock images and footage based on your subscription. To avoid that, the second option is to click Edit to adjust the script or visuals. Here's what you can do. Click Edit Script to make changes to the text. You can remove or hide parts of the script or even add your own commands for AI modifications. If you want to change specific visuals or footage, you can do that by searching in the stock bank, or you can upload your own media. Remember, every change takes some time, so don't make the video too long. You can give commands to the AI to make specific adjustments. For instance, if you want to remove a caption, just type remove caption and the AI will follow your instructions. You can also choose to remove the title or edit it. If you delete it, the title will be gone from the video. After making your desired adjustments, click apply to save them. If you're not happy with the changes, you can click undo to revert them. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. You can choose the video quality and remove watermarks if you're using a paid account. The next step is really simple. Make sure to smash that like button, share this video to anybody who needs to watch this, and subscribe to our channel. This will help us to rank higher and give more opportunity to create more interesting content like this. Thank you for your support. Just a quick note, if you're serious about making passive income online, investing in a premium account is a smart move. This will give you more control and help you create high quality, professional videos without watermarks. Now, click continue to proceed and the system will generate your final video. It may take a minute or two and then you'll be ready to share your content with the world. With this process, let me tell you that you can create 100 shorts in a day by creating multiple projects in parallel. It's working great.
Yeah.
Once your video is ready, you can customize it by using the script and produce your own voiceovers. You can also use tools like CapCut. It allows you to add customized auto captions in a minute, powerful sound and visuals effects, and more. Let me tell you that CapCut offers amazing features for free. Consider this tool and try it. Let me know in comments if you also want a video where we explain the process to use CapCut for video editing. Personalizing your videos can take your content creation to the next level. So, to recap this phase, I've shown you how to create short videos quickly using an incredible artificial intelligence tool created by NVIDIA. With this process, you can create 10 shorts in no more than 10 minutes. This is, without a doubt, the fastest method I know for creating and editing videos. The essential key here is to take action and give it a try. It's important to bear in mind that out of all those who stumble upon this tool, only 1% will truly take the initiative. The question is, which side do you want to be on? Make the choice to leap into that remarkable 1% of individuals and ignite a transformative journey in your life. Now, the next step is to monetize your videos. One effective method is through affiliate marketing, and a popular platform for this is ClickBank. We've already created a video on how to use ClickBank for making money online. If you're interested, you can watch the video here. With these tools and strategies, you have everything you need to get started on your journey to creating content and making money online. If you already have a ClickBank account, I recommend exploring the affiliate marketplace. You can find various products across different categories and check for top offers, new offers, and more. Specifically, you can choose a category like e-business and e-marketing if you're in the niche of helping people make money online. This step allows you to identify products to promote. I suggest looking at factors like gravity scores and recurring rebills to assess the profitability of a product. It's essential to do your research to find the right products to promote. When you've selected a product, you can promote it through ClickBank. Simply click the promote button, generate your unique affiliate link, and consider using Bitly to shorten the link. Here is an affiliate program which seems to generate interesting commissions. That's what we call high-ticket product. Honestly, I never took that training, so I cannot promote it. That's why it's truly important to select product and services that you use and trust, because you know what you are talking about as you are experiencing stuff with it. So in my case, I will not promote this product. Instead, I discovered a couple of years ago a powerful program which is helping me step by step to make changes in my life. I'm involved in it every single day. It's not a program that I just saw on the internet. It's something I totally trust and recommend to anybody who truly wants to start an online business from scratch. If you want to know more about that product, I totally recommend. Click the link in the video description for access to a free video of me explaining it in detail. I said that you can use Bitly to shorten your affiliate link. This will help you to have a more professional look for your link. With their free plan, you can make up to 10 links shorter. Give it a try. So, to promote the product, place your affiliate link in the pinned comment on your YouTube shorts, making it more visible for your viewers. When you start creating content, remember this important rule: 70% value, 30% conversion, which means you need to mostly focus on giving value to your audience rather than trying to sell them products. It's all about trust. Consistency is absolutely essential in your journey towards success. So I can't emphasize enough the importance of being consistent. Make it a part of your routine to post content regularly. Remember, success in this endeavor is a long-term process, and it requires consistent effort and continuous action. Moving on to the next tip on my list, consider the concept of building a sales funnel, something often more valuable than just having a website. You see, when people encounter opportunities on the internet, they typically don't take immediate action, even if they're genuinely interested. This is especially true when they're unfamiliar with you or your brand. To maximize your chances of converting website visitors into paying customers, you must find ways to collect information from those who interact with your content. And that's where the idea of creating a lead magnet comes into play. A lead magnet is a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. It's essentially an irresistible offering that you present to your audience for free. When you provide something of genuine value, people are far more likely to exchange their contact information for access to this valuable resource. This simple act of capturing their contact details can be transformative for your business. Consider this: someone who watched your video 2 years ago and opted for your lead magnet by sharing their contact information is now a part of your growing list of contacts. Over time, this initial interaction can evolve into a loyal customer relationship. It's all about nurturing and maintaining these connections. So, when you're striving for financial success, especially if your goal is to consistently make more than $400 a day, particularly by promoting high-ticket products, remember the value of a well-structured sales funnel and the impact of a compelling lead magnet. Your long-term success hinges on these key factors. Keep these principles in mind as you navigate the dynamic world of online business. Success comes with hard work and dedication, not get-rich-quick schemes. If you're ready to take action, click the link in the video description to learn more about my story and this program you may also start to promote if you want. This will definitely put you on the road of making serious money over the internet. It's just a matter of time. You will also gain access for free to 6 essential tools every online entrepreneur needs to have today. There are affiliate links in this post, meaning at no additional cost to you. I will be compensated if you click through and take action. We do not promote any get-rich-quick program. We only believe in hard work, dedication, and passion to attain our goals. Never give up. The sky's the limit. I'll see you in the next video.